Just imagine, our society have damaged beyond repair. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl Bella, and I have come again with palaver. This very palaver is heartbreaking, but we have to talk about it. If you are not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And you have not turned your notification bell, please turn on your notification bell for you to know whenever I post palaver. So, I'll post this video and we'll talk about it. Oh yeah, please watch.
Báàgì ẹ̀dá ẹgbẹ́ báàgì ẹ̀fọ́.
Kí lorúkọ ẹ? Solomon Fábíyì Solomon. Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ?
23 years old, sir.
Máa wojú bí.
23 years old, sir.
23 years.
Yes, sir.
Ọmọ ọdún wo ni ẹ?
Kwara State, sir.
Kwara níbo ní Kwara?
Ayédùn.
Ayédùn. Ó ti tọ́dún mélòó tó ti dé Èkìtì bí Adó Èkìtì?
Ibi náà bí mi sí
Iná bí ẹ sí. Ìyá àti bàbá ẹ kọ́.
Wọ́n wà ń lé.
Kí ló wá ṣe bí?
Èmi mo wá láàárọ̀. Mo ṣe ń gbọ́ voices ní máa ń yìí. Mo wá láàárọ̀.
Question mi tí bá ti di yes or no before you explain.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ mo wá láàárọ̀.
Kí ló wá ṣe bí?
Mo fẹ́ ṣe àjò owó. Wọ́n lẹ́nu tí wá rí mọ̀. Mo lẹ̀ ní mo láboro. So wọ́n á ní mo lè mú wá. Wọ́n ní ṣé mo lè mú wá, mo ní mo lè mú wá.
Tó wá fẹ́ fi ṣe kí ni?
Àjò owó.
Ọ̀fẹ́ àfi ṣe àjò
Wọ́n lẹ́nu
owó.
kò ní sí.
Wọ́n ní kò ní kú.
Bẹ́ẹ̀
Kí
sí.
wọ́n ló máa ṣe?
Wọ́n ló máa sí.
Ó kàn máa sí.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ èmi náà.
So tó bá ti ń síkì yẹn kí ló máa ṣẹlẹ̀ sí ìwọ?
Wọ́n ní màmá káṣà tó ń bọ̀ dẹ̀ promise pé máa rán lọ fún màá ṣe everything fún.
Okay.
Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ sà.
Ọmọ tó fẹ́ wá lò yìí. Kí lorúkọ ẹ̀?
Jọmí lójú.
Jọmí lójú. Òun ló fẹ́ wá lò. Kí ló fẹ́ wá lò fún?
Àjòwò lọ́dún.
Àjòwò ló fẹ́ wá lò fún.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ sà.
Báwo ló ṣe jẹ́ sí ẹ?
Ọmọ àti mi gbọ̀ngàn.
Ọmọ àti ẹ.
Àjọ ń tọ́jú ẹ̀
Ó ti tọ́ ọmọ ọdún mélòó?
bí ọdún mẹ́fà sí ọdún méje.
Ọdún méje.
Bẹ́ẹ̀.
Nǹkan tó wá ṣe báyìí ṣe ó dáa ọ ṣé ó bójú mu?
Kì í ṣe nǹkan gidi sà.
Kò ṣe nǹkan gidi.
Mo màmá tọ́jú ẹ̀ mo fẹ́ rán lọ sún fẹ́ ṣe everything.
Lẹ́yìn tó bá ti lò tán tó fi ṣògùn owó tán wàá wá máa rán lọ sí
Mo ní kò
school.
ní kú nǹkan tó sọ fún mi nìyẹn sà.
Okay.
Báwo ló wà bẹ́ẹ̀ tó pẹ̀lú?
Kí lorúkọ ẹ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí?
Solomon sà.
Solomon.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ sà.
Ìjẹ́ wọ́n mọ̀ pé ẹni tí o gbé ọmọ ìwá sí ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀ tó fẹ́.
So now, imagine that this guy was able to do away with his agenda. Who is to blame? Is it the sister or the guy? See, Obodai, our society is damaged. That the quick money, the fast money syndrome has eaten so deep. Imagine your own blood brother taking your own child to the native doctor. Had it been that the native doctor did not call the police? Had it been that the native doctor did not call the police? You know, some native doctor will not call the police. They will go ahead and do whatever they want. Now, the child will be dead or the child will be missing. The guy will be saying, I don't know. But he is aware, he's very much aware. He planned it from the onset, from the get-go. Had it been that, so you say he doesn't know that they will kill they buy the boy. He doesn't know that they will buy the boy. How, if the dating, all these things where they happen now, this is why I don't blame the Anambra State. I don't blame the Anambra State government for arresting people that they are arresting. You know, because this thing is so deep in our society that people don't even think with their head. They know they think again. They don't care the consequences of what they are doing. They are more concerned about what? Getting rich. People are so concerned about the fast life, the luxury, everything that they don't care about. Gradual process, one step at a time. Imagine a 23-year-old boy driving a Range Rover. with money. Who told you that money ritual they pay? Who told you? Say they pay. You now go and use your own nephew, your own niece to do money ritual just because you want to meet up, you want to be rich as soon as possible. There are many things to do with your life. You can learn tech. There are skills that you can learn with your life. But no, this generation don't want anything. They are so concerned about ritual, fast money, fast life, fast this, fast that. How about one step at a time? Learning something for yourself for the future. So if you're able to make money in your 23-year-old life, let's assume you made 50 million, 100 million. You think you can handle 100 million as a 23-year-old? You don't know how to invest. You don't even know. Do you think that, okay, 100 million naira in naira, how convert it to dollar, how much is it? You don't know these things. There are certain things you need to learn. Our society has eaten so deep that young guys don't think. People don't think. If you fast money, using your own nephew for money ritual. Okay, native doctor now alerted the authorities. That was how they saved this little boy's life. This boy, make it thanking God. And the family, they should be careful with this guy. Because if he did not get away with this one, this guy go to plan another one. Until I come again, palava, they finish. Every day since 2025, we dey hear this one from this to that, from that to this. They cut this person, they thief this person, they buy this person, they arrest this person. Everybody, they run helter-skelter. They thief people, they run. Even government, Anambra State government, they pursue them up and down. Still, the society is so damaged. Fast life, luxury. It's not like that. No be by ritual they make money. Everything is not. You need to calm down and learn something with your life that will last, that will make impact in the society, that will make impact in your own life. Ritual they make impact. You go take, you go cry. Until I come again, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. If you know, please share this video for people. Those people, you'll be talking with them, tell you, I don't send, I just want to make money. Please share this video as much as you can to every young person you see, because they need to see ritual in a pay. No be today. No be today we say ritual, only ritual they pay. They pay. Go do something better with your life. Till I come again. Lava, they finish. Peace out.